Sir.
Good evening, Dr.
Some of them feel 5 o'clock means 6 o'clock. So for them, I may have to do the honors again. However, we are extremely happy that amongst us, we have an IPS officer of the AGMU cadre of 1981. But I think he was first more of a teacher, and later on he went into the IPS. He's a BSc from Allahabad University, an MSc from Allahabad University. He has also done DLIT. Before being commissioned to the Indian Police Service, he was working as a scientist in Ranchi. Dr. Aditya Arya, retired Director General Police, is an accomplished law enforcement, security and vigilance management expert with over 30 years of successful leadership and management experience with the Indian Police Services. He is an IPS officer of AGMU 1981 cadre and has successfully discharged a wide range of challenging and critical leadership assignments during his career with the Indian Police Services. During his distinguished career, some of the prestigious assignments led by Dr. Arya include successful handling of law enforcement and security of the Rashtrapati Bhavan as Joint Commissioner of Police, Director General Police Goa, Director General Home Guards Delhi, DIG Administration, CID and Director Vigilance, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. During his career, Dr. Arya has worked extensively in collaboration with state national leaders, bureaucrats, armed forces, police and CBI agencies. A very well networked professional, Dr. Arya brings with him an exceptional leadership track record. He has personally trained over 500 plus IPS officers for qualifying themselves towards higher roles during his distinguished career. He also has held charge as Director Police Training School PTS in 1997. Currently, Dr. Arya consults and advises the Indian Police Service, the government, private organizations and senior law enforcement professionals across the country in the following areas: security and vigilance systems deployment, deployment of intelligence mapping strategies, design development of law enforcement approaches, methods, and leadership and general management practices. Dr. Arya's career progression with the Indian Police Services 1983 to 2013. He has served as DG Home Guards Delhi, which was his last appointment, and Special Commissioner Police Armed Police Delhi, DGP Goa, Joint Special Commissioner Rashtrapati Bhavan, Joint Commissioner Police Operations and Election Cell, Joint Commissioner Police Election Cell Delhi, Joint Commissioner Police General Administration Headquarters, Additional Commissioner Police General Administration Headquarters Delhi, Additional Commissioner Police Armed Police Delhi, Additional Commissioner Police Security Delhi, DIG Administration, CID and Director Vigilance, Andaman and Nicobar. Apart from this, he has extinguished himself As DIG administration, CID and Director Vigilance Andaman and Nicobar Islands, he put an end to illegal poaching of fishing from neighboring countries. Was entrusted responsibility of Joint Commissioner of Police for President's Security. As DCP New Delhi got immense appreciation from the Supreme Court of India for making innovative use of fingerprinting technology to identify the victim while handling the infamous Tandoor murder case. As additional DCP South Delhi District New Delhi, Dr. Arya tactfully handled public sentiment in sensitive cases, example anti-Mandal agitation, communal violence in Lodi crematorium, giving a more humane dimension to the police action which was widely appreciated. Implementation of a wide range of welfare measures in the police organization, organizing All India Police Games. He has also received as many awards as can a police officer receive. Police Special Duty Medal 1986 Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Police Special Duty Medal 1989 with First Bar Andaman and Nicobar Islands. President's Police Medal for Meritorious Services. Police Special Duty Medal Arunachal Pradesh. Police Special Duty Medal with First Bar Arunachal Pradesh. Internal Security Medal Antrik Suraksha Padak 2002 Arunachal Pradesh. Police Special Duty Medal Second Bar Andaman and Nicobar Islands. His hobbies happen to be reading, extensive reading, and of course spirituality, where we connect together, and the fact which has brought us here, teaching and mentoring professionals and organizations. Sir, we are extremely happy you are with us today, and to these small children you will be a source of inspiration, and we are extremely happy to have you as our chief guest today. We are also happy to have with us our beloved councillor Sultan Khari and the members of the press and members of the other institutions, ISFI members, members from the Shri Ramchandra Mission, and once again I extend a hearty welcome to all the parents whose children are going to perform and because of whom we are all here today. Thank you.
Channel of knowledge and inspiration to all of us. I, Ms. Riya Pandey, along with co-host Shruti, my first and foremost duty on behalf of the principal, teaching staff and students to welcome you all to our annual day function.
God answers every prayer. When the idea is not right, God says no. When the time has not arrived.
Mother, we pray for your blessings with harmony with nature and other forms of the life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes. Excuse me, sir. Yes. Sir. Yes, yes, yes. Excuse me. Yes.
Butterfly has three main body parts. actual sound of the sun in deep space and compress the inaudible waves so that human ears can hear it. If we listen to the sound, we can hear and feel a deep vibration. The sound of the sun recorded by NASA is precisely as the ancient Hindus had described it in the Vedas thousands of years ago. It is a mantra that can be intoned with human speech as